Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into OPKO Health's amended annual report, and you might think an amended report is just some boring paperwork, but trust me, sometimes the most interesting stories are hidden in the corrections. We're talking about insider trading policies and some exhibit mix-ups. It's like a corporate treasure hunt. So what's this all about? Basically, OPKO Health filed an updated version of their annual report. They need to fix a small error. They accidentally attached the wrong document as an exhibit. Can you imagine forgetting which file to attach? Instead of the company's insider trading policy, they included the OPKO Health Inc. related party transaction policy. Oops! This amended filing is to correct that mistake and include the proper insider trading policy. Let's talk about something critical in corporate governance, the insider trading policy. This is essentially a rule book that companies and their employees must follow when buying or selling company stock. It's designed to prevent people with inside knowledge of the company, information that is not available to the public from making unfair profits. If someone knows that the company will have some news before it becomes public, such as the earnings numbers that will be released next week, they are not allowed to buy or sell shares based on that information. This prevents them from unfairly benefiting from their privileged access. OPKO Health has officially adopted an insider trading policy. This policy exists to make sure everyone plays fair and follows the rules when trading company stock. Basically, it's there to prevent illegal insider trading. You can find the complete policy as Exhibit 19.1 in this report. Now anyone can take a peek at the rules. The part we should really focus on in this amendment is item 15, which deals with exhibits. Think of exhibits as supporting documents that are attached to the main report. In this case, they are correcting a mistake with what they submitted originally. The original filing had the wrong policy document, and this amendment fixes that. This filing also includes certifications from the CEO and CFO, basically saying that they stand behind the accuracy of the report. This is required by law and adds another layer of accountability because this is just an amendment fixing a small mistake. These certifications are limited in scope. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. As of June, the market value of OPKO's publicly held stock was around $14 million. This gives us a sense of the company's size and how investors value it. Keep in mind that this number can change quite a bit depending on market conditions and company performance. And as of the end of January, there were roughly 671 million shares of OPKO's common stock outstanding. This number is important because it helps calculate earnings per share and other financial ratios that investors use to assess the company's profitability. The audit firm Ernst & Young looked at OPKO Health's numbers to make sure everything looks good. Also worth noting is a check mark indicating that the financial statements don't reflect any error corrections to previously issued financial statements, so that's always a good sign. You can see a list of OPKO's subsidiaries in this report as well. TV, now what's the real story here? OPKO Health is a company that's had its share of ups and downs. It's involved in pharmaceuticals, diagnostics, and biologics, which means it's spread across several different areas of healthcare. This can be both a strength and a weakness. On one hand, it diversifies their risk. On the other, it can make it harder to focus and excel in any one area. The biggest risks I see are tied to their debt and their ability to bring new products to market successfully. The pharmaceutical industry is incredibly competitive and it costs a lot of money to develop new drugs and get them approved. In conclusion, this amended report is a reminder that even big companies make mistakes, and that's okay as long as they fix them. OPKO Health is a complex company with a lot of potential, but it also faces some significant challenges. Whether it succeeds depends on its ability to innovate, manage its debt, and navigate the competitive healthcare landscape. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings.